Today we begin a series on graphing quadratics. And so whenever graphing something for the first time, it's always best to start with the simplest version, and that is y equals x squared. And whenever graphing something for the first time, it's also always best to start with a table of values to get a sense of how this function behaves. And so we'll pick some easy numbers here like 0. So 0 squared is equal to 0. And some other easy numbers like 1 and 2. 1 squared and 2 squared being 1 and 4. And I can repeat this with some negative numbers as well, just to give us some variety. -1 and -2 squared also being 1 and 4. And this should be more than enough to begin pulling some points out of these x and y pairs and plotting them onto a graph. I think it's always important to remember that this is what a graph is. That is to say, a visual representation of how a function behaves. And plotting these points onto a graph, we get a U-shaped curve, which is characteristic of this function family.